Hello. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking.
What are we learning today?
We will learn some useful phrases.
That sounds interesting. What phrases?
They can help improve your speaking.
I would love to learn them.
Let's start with how's it going?
How's it going? What does it mean?
It's a casual way to ask.
Oh, I see. What's the next phrase?
The next phrase is I appreciate it.
How can I use that phrase?
Use it to thank someone nicely.
I appreciate it, that's good to know.
Another useful phrase is no problem.
When should I say no problem?
Say it when someone thanks you.
That makes sense. What's next?
Next is could you repeat that?
When would I use that phrase?
Use it if you don't understand.
Great. I'll remember that one too.
Another is I'm looking forward to it.
What does that mean exactly?
It means you are excited about something.
I'm looking forward to our class.
Perfect. Now let's learn I see your point.
How can I use that phrase?
Use it to agree with someone.
I see your point, thank you.
Next is that sounds great.
When should I use that phrase?
Use it to show enthusiasm for plans.
That sounds great. Let's go.
The next phrase is can I help you?
When do I say that?
Say it when offering assistance to someone.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes. Now let's learn take your time.
What does take your time mean?
It means there's no rush at all.
That's helpful. I will use it.
Next is what do you think?
When do I ask that?
Use it to ask for someone's opinion.
What do you think about this?
Great. Now let's learn I'm on my way.
What does that mean?
It means you are coming soon.
I'm on my way right now.
Next is that's a good idea.
How do I use that phrase?
Use it to agree with someone's suggestion.
That's a good idea for lunch.
Next, learn I'm afraid not.
When would I say that?
Use it to politely decline something.
I'm afraid not, I can't go.
Another phrase is let's call it a day.
What does that mean exactly?
It means to stop working for today.
Let's call it a day, then.
Now learn I don't mind.
How do I use that phrase?
Use it to show you agree.
I don't mind helping you out.
Great. Now we have it's up to you.
What does that phrase mean?
It means the decision is yours.
It's up to you, choose wisely.
Next is I'm just kidding.
When should I say that?
Use it after making a joke.
Oh, I'm just kidding about that.
Another is sounds good to me.
When do I say that?
Use it to agree with plans.
Sounds good to me, let's go.
Next is that's too bad.
What does that phrase mean?
It shows sympathy for someone's trouble.
That's too bad about the weather.
Finally, we have can't wait to see you.
When do I use that phrase?
Use it when you miss someone.
I can't wait to see you.
You did great learning these phrases.
Thank you. I learned so much today.
Keep practicing them in conversations.
I will use them all the time.
That's the spirit. Let's meet again soon.
Yes. I look forward to our lessons.
Have a wonderful day ahead.
You too. See you next time.
What other phrases do you want to learn?
I want to learn more useful phrases.
How about phrases for asking questions?
Yes. That would be very helpful.
The first one is, what's your name?
That's a basic but important question.
It helps start conversations easily.
What's another good question to ask?
You can ask, where are you from?
That's a nice way to learn.
Yes. You can ask, what do you do?
That helps learn about someone's job.
Exactly. How about, do you like it?
That's great for asking about preferences.
You're catching on quickly. Any more?
Yes. What's next in our phrases?
The next phrase is, how was your day?
That's a friendly question to ask.
It shows you care about someone.
I'll definitely use that phrase.
Another phrase is, do you have time?
When should I use that?
Use it when you want to chat.
Great. I'll use it to start conversations.
Next is, have you been there?
When do I ask that question?
Use it when discussing places together.
Have you been to Paris before?
Yes. It's a beautiful city to visit.
What's your favorite thing about Paris?
I love the Eiffel Tower and food.
I want to visit Paris one day.
You should. It's a wonderful experience.
What else can we learn today?
How about phrases for making suggestions?
Yes. I'd like to learn those.
The first one is, how about we go?
That's a nice way to suggest.
Another is, why don't we try?
I like that. It sounds polite.
You can also say, let's consider this.
That's a good way to think together.
Yes. How about, what if we do?
That sounds interesting. I'll remember.
Great. You're learning so many phrases.
I feel more confident speaking now.
Confidence is key to good communication.
I want to practice these phrases often.
Yes. Practice will help you improve.
What else should I focus on?
You can practice listening to conversations.
Listening is important for understanding.
You can also watch movies or shows.
That sounds fun and educational.
Yes. You'll hear many phrases used.
I'll try watching English movies soon.
That's a great idea. Enjoy the process.
I can't wait to learn more.
How about we create a practice session?
Yes. That would be very helpful.
Let's role-play different situations together.
That sounds exciting. I'm ready.
Let's pretend we're at a restaurant.
I will order food for us.
Good. Start with, I would like.
I would like a pizza, please.
Excellent choice. I'll have pasta.
After eating, I'll say, thank you.
Yes. And then you can ask for the bill.
Can I ask, could I have the bill?
Perfect. You're getting the hang of it.
What if we practice at a store?
Yes. Let's pretend to go shopping.
I'll ask, do you have this shirt?
Great. And I'll say, let me check.
After shopping, I'll say, that's a good price.
Excellent. You're using the phrases well.
I feel more comfortable speaking now.
That's fantastic. Keep practicing like this.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I enjoy teaching you.
What's next for our next lesson?
We can learn more phrases about travel.
Yes. Traveling has many useful phrases.
Let's meet again next week.
Sounds great. I look forward to it.
Have a great day, see you soon.
You too. Take care and goodbye.